Hello and welcome to the Great Indian Tamasha. Will the tamasha never stop? Will the ridiculousness never cease? Well, I hope not, because then we'll be out of a job. This week, the left army was on the streets. The UPA was in a huddle, and the BJP still can't figure out where they are. Nuclear reactions are complicated, you know. It was also the week of the India Fashion Week. Teachers' Day and Janmashtami. So let's kick off this tamasha with a peek into the minds of the modern day gods. Before we greet our two studio guests today, let's go across to our reporter, Breathless Mohanty. So Breathless, what do you have for us today?
It's a fight between survival and a cold, wet end. A battle between the brave human and a ruthless and swift river. It's dramatic, it's scary, it has people screaming, it has the media running in circles, and it's hysterical!
Oh, so you have a story on Ram Gopal Varma's art?
No! It's a man who is fighting death in the middle of a fast-flowing river, as you can see behind me.
So you disrupted our show for this report?
Yes!
So let me get back to you later then.
No, listen, I'll give you a minute-by-minute account of how this story unfolds.
Yes, maybe later, Breathless. So we have in the studio Lalu Yadav and Nitish Kumar, who were at their witty best as they took digs at each other at a function recently.
But because it is Janmashtami today, we shall not take dig at each other and wish the weaver together. Hamre here, there is rivaj of celebrating Janmashtami with very much excitement.
Right.
Na, hamre here it is more. I am Yadav, like Krishna ji. I am Yadav like Krishna ji, just like him I am.
Nahi, Lalu ji, you are getting confused. Krishna ji was Makhan Chor. He used to steal butter, not fodder na.
Dhut tarike. See, he taking pot shot. Vaise bhi Nitish ji, chara, makhan, same thing.
Lalu ji, how is that?
See, cow eats chara,
yes.
fodder. Fodder becomes milk is stomach.
Right.
Milk is taken out and butter made from milk.
Of course.
So in shortcut, butter made from fodder.
Huh?
So fodder and butter, same thing. We are the Kishanji of modern age.
Then to modern days comes his who?
Janta na. Who we have vanquished. Jai ho Kishanji.
Well, I won't even try to argue with that logic. Oh God, where were you when we needed you? And that's exactly what our PM must be thinking.
I would challenge the UPA government to show one sentence in the Common Minimum Program which says that we must have a strategic partnership with the United States of America. If they put that sentence, the left parties would not have supported this government.
The Red Army heats things up by taking out two large marches, one from Kolkata and the other from Chennai. Messrs. Mr. Vardhan and Karat, you can spend all your time marching. Our PM is taking the bus and come what may, he isn't missing it.
Oh, hurry up, Sonia ji. Have you packed? We will miss the bus. Oh, please, jaldi.
Relax, Manmohan ji. What's the hurry? What bus? I have a car. We don't need a bus.
No, we can't miss the bus. The bus to all solutions. The bus to our energy needs. The bus to...
bus kijiye. Right now we have an interview at Prem Taneja's studio.
Oh yes, hurry up or we'll miss the bus to Prem Taneja's studio. I'll go and save a seat for you.
Prime Minister is in a hurry to get on the nuclear technology bus. He doesn't want to get left behind. But on the other hand...
Wait, stop the bus. Stop the cameras. Sonia ji isn't here yet. And wait for me. Oh, Taneja, save that seat for Sonia ji. Oh, bags it. Here, put my hanky there. Oh, seat ko घेर ले.
Relax, Manmohan ji. No one takes any seats in my studio without asking me. This bus isn't going anywhere and Sonia ji's seat is safe.
Don't argue, Taneja. But just put my hanky on the seat and bags it. Jaldi kare. Oh, ji, Sonia ji, I didn't let the bus move without you. Have saved the seat also. My hanky's on it.
What's with your Prime Minister, Sonia ji?
Don't ask me. He's your Prime Minister. You figure it out.